What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a very special episode of Hype Talk. And like always, we got Big Boy Johnny.
What it do?
We got TANG, aka Puerto Rico.
What up, y'all?
And Sky Pilot is on doggy vacation. And today, we are going to be going over upcoming hyped clothing releases, all right? Got a lot of good ones, man. Y'all ready to talk about these?
Let's go.
All right, first hyped clothing release, all right? We got the man of maybe the year. Sean Weatherspoon, all right?
Making big moves.
He has a collaboration with Guess.
Hey, I kinda like it.
You know, right off the bat though, shout out to Sean Weatherspoon collabing with Guess. If it's one brand out there that's gonna mix in with the vintage vibes, it is Guess, right?
Yep. It is Guess. It is Guess.
And that's cool. My thing about this particular collection is, even though they're different colorways, it all looks the same to me.
So you're saying you would have liked a little bit more uniqueness?
Yeah, just a little bit more, diversify the palette.
Okay.
I feel like he made sure he came out with something like this so you could buy this and his shoes to match.
Don't talk to him, family. Family.
But overall though, I'm gonna have to say that this is a drop for me.
Okay.
It's a little bit too loud for me, for my taste.
Got it. Okay. The reason why I like the Sean Weatherspoons is because they have these colors, but then if you look within the colors, there's like, shades in like light blue.
That complement one another.
Complement. This is just straight up like tutti frutti,
I think the only reason why I liked it first, before I saw all the hoodies together, is this actual picture right here of him wearing it.
Okay.
That particular picture is a cop for me, but the other hoodies is a drop.
All right. So for the Sean Weatherspoon Guest collaboration, we are going to say drop. All right, guys, so keeping it moving, we got a very, I would say, traditional collaboration. A lot of people know these two brands together. You got Palace and Adidas, all right? So I gotta, there's some questions that gotta arise for this one.
What you got?
Bam!
Okay.
Let me know. A lot of the pieces kind of have that, what would you say? Is that
Velour?
thick velour cotton?
Chanel type towel material.
Okay.
Let's just go right off the bat. Is Palace still hot? This is my thing about Palace. I only like their stuff that have just their logo on it.
What is that thing called?
It's a Tri-Ferg logo.
Oh, the Tri-Ferg. Without that little triangle, no one cares about the pieces. Like, it's kind of like Supreme without the box logo. A lot of the other pieces are sitting like ducks. I gotta go and say, with all the heat coming out nowadays, this does not give anybody no excitement, in my opinion. Like,
Very cliche, Richie.
Palace to me doesn't hold enough weight to just put a little name right there. I think you gotta throw the Tri-Ferg on there. Tri-Ferg.
I think they gotta try harder.
Oh. We got Supreme with the classic Lacoste.
Ooh.
Bam! So this one, they really let Lacoste kind of do their thing. Instead of Supreme taking over, they let Lacoste do their thing.
Rich, you know that red Lacoste Letterman jacket that I used to wear all the time?
I do.
I love that navy one that they came out with Supreme, man.
Okay, you like it.
I love it.
Oh, and you love it. You love it. Okay.
I love it.
I like it, but it looks a little bit too Lacoste-esque, in my opinion.
Well, maybe Supreme's like, you know what? We've made our mark with Louis Vuitton already. We want you guys to be able to showcase yourselves. We're gonna help you guys bring your brand.
I was gonna say, when I look at this collaboration and the pieces, it gives me more of like a high-class vibe.
It does.
You can wear this anytime, any year in the future.
I would have liked a little bit more of that streetwear vibe to it.
I think I would have to say this collaboration is probably executed the best so far this year.
Really?
That's a heavy statement. I'm gonna say it. This is the best collaboration this year.
Got it. When it comes to the Supreme Lacoste, I feel like, I wanted it like this. There wasn't just one piece speaking to me that I wanted. No, I'm saying like not the go-to one. They're all pretty decent, but I wasn't like, oh, that's the one.
I like the bucket hat. The bucket hat got the alligator, and the back it has the little, little Supreme in the back.
Is that velour too?
That's dope.
Supreme Lacoste, you guys really like it?
I'm gonna say cop.
For the money and I gotta say drop. We got another Supreme collaboration. A lot of mixed emotions about this one, man. We got the Supreme Hellraiser collaboration. Cult classic movie, 1987.
That's scary.
For pushing the boundaries of scary movies, but not a lot of people are feeling this. Bam!
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Hell on Earth.
Hell on Earth.
I got to confess something.
All right, man. What?
This is probably one of the scariest movies I've watched when I was a child. I watched this when I was a child. I watched all the scary movies, man.
Yeah.
This is. You guys think it is scary? No, man.
I used to see this cover at Hollywood Video, and I would not even. It was too scary.
It's scary. Supreme. I think maybe they were like, man, the Supreme brand getting a little too fluffy.
Yup.
A little too kiddie. You know what I mean? And there was like, let's hit them with the Hellraiser.
I mean, look at the jacket on the back. It states Hell on Earth. No, it's not. You know, I'm trying to live.
Jesus on my arm, man.
Maybe it's a statement for all the chaos that's going on right now.
Maybe, but that's just too deep for me to think about, man.
We trying to
We just want swag. We just want swag.
Not swag. SWAG. Swag with the H. Just not the name for me. I'm about to go to church this weekend, man.
We got these guys shook right now, man.
So we over here like this, Cuddy.
Oh, God's plan.
So, would that be?
I'm over there singing that.
This is just, I watched the movie. I like it. I thought it was cool. It's nostalgic.
But you jolly Johnny.
That's
jolly.
That's jolly about it, man.
You Uncle Johnny, you gonna be scaring the nephew.
You know what it is?
This one, man.
It's a conversational piece. Like, oh, what's out on your shirt? Oh, I watched this movie back.
Well, your conversation about to be about hell and scary. All right, man.
Well, that being said, this has to be one of the worst collaborations, in my opinion, with Supreme. So this is definitely a drop for me.
All right, I'm gonna go cold drop. Like when I saw this, I was like,
Come on, man.
All right, guys. So next collaboration up, we got Bape with a brand that seems to not be getting a lot of attention lately.
Bape?
Anti-Social Social Club.
Ooh. Bam. Okay. Yeah.
Cliche is the first word that came to mind. Very cliche.
Very true. Very true.
I'm just tired of that logo.
Yeah.
That logo, it seems like that's the only thing that they have as their brand. I'm still surprised that people are still on it. It's just crazy to me. Like, the colorways are cool though. I like that OG kind of colorway. The
pink and the pastel blue.
You like that? The OG, this is like the OG.
This is the OG Bape kind of.
This reminds me of back in the day Pharrell colorway.
Yeah, exactly. Other than that, man, I mean, you could take the Anti-Social Social Club and still be a hot hoodie.
Why do you think Anti-Social Social Club caught such a wave?
I think it's just a misunderstanding of what the actual phrase means. I think it just triggered people to really question, am I a part of this club? What is this anti-social club?
I would say
you bought it to be out of the club, but then you buy it
to be in the club. Exactly, and I think that's just a contradiction of it. I don't get it.
Art crazy, man. Art so
Here
deep.
we go.
All right, so for myself, I'm gonna go and say drop for this one. It didn't get me excited.
It's a little too cliche. I think I'm agreeing with Tan. If you take the anti-social social club logo out of it and keep everything else the same, it would still sell.
I agree.
All right, guys, so last but not least, this is our clothes, but obviously accessories kind of go in the same lane a little bit. We got the off-white collabo with IKEA.
IKEA?
Oh, okay.
You know, just by the clowning aspect, this is a cop.
Cop?
Just because it's a clown.
Okay.
Come on, man. They taking it to new heights. They're like, I'm gonna do the shoes, I'm gonna do the clothes, but now they're gonna take it and put on a rug.
Yeah.
That's clownish,
Or just
man.
accessory furniture, lifestyle of a home.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
Lifestyle, it's all about lifestyle now. Bear breaks and the way you furnish your home now.
For him to do it with IKEA, that's kind of swaggy. Trust me, I wouldn't do it if it was Macy's furniture or something like that.
For myself, you know, when it comes to this particular rug right here, I just don't like the messaging. Keep up.
You know what's funny about it though? You have those rooms in some houses where you don't even go into that room.
I don't got any of those.
Right.
And we also got this the bag right here.
Is it only two pieces?
Yeah, the 2 pieces so far. She got that look in her.
Huh? That's a nice bag. Why'd you throw that on there?
Yeah.
For myself, the bag is a no-go. The rug, I can't have people trying to hurdle over my rug because it says keep off, man. You know, I'm all about
you gotta have the room for it.
The
you
room,
have to find a
You know what
space
though?
for it.
I'm gonna take
It's
that
not for
rug.
everybody.
I'm gonna put it in that bag. I'm gonna throw both of them in the trash.
I saw that coming, man.
But other than that, man, I would like to see more pieces.
Yeah.
I think IKEA is a great store. Off-White's a cool brand. I just want to see some better pieces.
Got it. All right, what
or
about you?
lamps or something.
It's a cop, man.
Cop? All right, man. I'm gonna tell
They drop.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell Big Bro OG to. Yeah, you gotta step it up. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the clothing collaborations top or drop. What was your favorite?
I just say Lacoste.
The Lacoste? Okay.
Specifically that jacket.
Got it. What about you?
I'm gonna agree with Johnny. I'm gonna say the Lacoste is the Supreme one,
Lacoste?
man. A lot of the other ones are they're interesting.
They're interesting. All right. And that pretty much wraps it up. Let us know what your favorite collaboration was. What do you guys plan on getting on resale, not resale? Let us know down in the comments. Share this with your friends. And until next time, we out.
Peace.
All right, guys, thank you for checking out that video. Leave down in the comments below what do you guys think about the clothing that we had brought up. Make sure you guys check out Tina's Instagram. Make sure you check out Johnny's Instagram. And until next time, we out.
Peace.